This is our new KitchenAid coffee maker. We bought it, I believe, in July, early July we got it. And it worked just great for a while. And then we put the coffee in and walked away, and this thing flew open. And if you see, there's a button on the side there. And the button has to come out for that to latch. So hey, it might be caught, but you have to stick your finger in there and push out. Otherwise, it will just pop back out. Contact the company. It's possible, this was about a year old when it was shipped to us through Amazon from another company. And perhaps it's been corrected, but perhaps not. It's the same model number. And so every time we put coffee in, we have to make sure that this button is popped out all the way. Because if it isn't, we'll have a surprise and a mess all over.